Are you tired of watching the market and missing big moves? Introducing the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot, designed to trade smart while you focus on your daily life. This powerful AI-based system analyzes market trends, detects strong entry points, and executes trades automatically with precision and discipline. With a claimed 99% accuracy, it aims to catch sharp boom spikes and sudden crash drops at the right time, helping you maximize opportunities while controlling risk. The robot follows a structured strategy, avoids overtrading, and works with a user-friendly setup suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. No emotions, no stress, just smart automated trading. Start trading the smarter way with the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot and experience consistency like never before.